Hey everybody, so I have a quick video to do. This is another Guess What's in the Box video. So it's from Acme Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today is just going to be a quick Guess What's in the Box video. It's from Acme Tools. It's not very big. It's actually quite small. This box is 8 1/4 of an inch wide by 8 1/4 of an inch long by 6 3/4 of an inch tall. So it's a square, pretty tall square. I did pre-order a bunch of items, Milwaukee pipeline items, sorry, from Acme Tools. I'm not sure which one this is. It's pretty small, you know. And the last video I did was on the 800 lumen light, and this 800 lumen light is small. This is the new 800 lumen light. It is small compared to the original 700 lumen focus style beam light. It is very, very small. I do, using it, I do kind of miss this style charger. The way they hid the charger for this style, where you twist it down and it covers it. And the reason being is because I was using this yesterday, going in and out of several sheds. I tore apart a couple sheds, took everything out of them to rearrange them and find out what needed to be thrown away. And what I was doing, there was a lot of dust in one or two of the sheds. Actually, one of the sheds had the most dust, and when you move something, and I was sweeping the dirt out of the shed and everything, it just dust everywhere. And I noticed this little window traps dust quite a bit, and I don't like it, you know. And yeah, you twist it to unlock it so that way you can use the charging port, but I just don't like that dust gets trapped here. So it could cause this sleeve not to turn properly, because there's a seal on this end and a seal on this end, and basically this twist piece is actually only being sealed on two ends, where this one, it's being sealed on one end. It's being sealed on this end where the charging port is. So there's the full-size O-ring on this one. And then if you want to take this out, take this completely off and open it so you can get the battery out, you actually twist it on this end where there's a seal on this end, as well as this belt clip. I do like the belt clip on these where you can just pop them on and off. I do like that. See, there's a slot specifically for it. I like that instead of having to untwist the battery cap just to get the belt clip off, I kind of like that they made it a little easier. I just don't like that window, because I spent like 2 hours cleaning this whole light because it was covered in dust. But it's just an update. I do like the new lights. There's a red strip instead of the belt clip being red and the side being red. It's just one single red strip of information. I do like that the main light body and the handle section of the body are two different colors. This is kind of a bronzy, silvery color, and then the rest is black, or this is all black. So they did a good job in making the light look nicer. I do like the convenience of this in a sense, but I kind of wish that this was still on the back cap, because when I charge these, I leave them facing down and I just twist the cap up, plug it in. You can't do that with this one. The charging cable is way down here now. So if you want to put it face down, you have to charge it face down. and it makes it hard. So now I have to stand it upright on its tail cap to charge it, which is not a big deal. It's just something to get used to. But the last video I did was on this light. Basically all I was letting you know. But it might be another light. I have no idea. What is your guys' guesses? I've got so many things back ordered and pre-ordered at the moment. It could be pretty much anything. I'm assuming this is probably a Milwaukee item because I have a crap ton of Milwaukee items on pre-order. But do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. What do you guys think's in the box? Appreciate you guys playing along with the game and having fun with the game. For those of you that do enjoy playing along, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As well as top of the description below, there is a link to Olsa Tools. If you guys want to go, if you click on that link, it'll give you 10% off your order at olsatools.com. It also kick me back a availability to get 10% off my next order from Olsa Tools when you guys use my link. And if there's any organization things, or you guys have never heard of Olsa Tools, you can go check them out. If there's something that they have that you want to buy, just use the link. It gets you some money off on your purchase, and we all save. That light I was just showing you, if you guys are interested in the 800 lumen light, here is the packaging. I will post the previous video if you guys want to check that video out. If you guys need a new flashlight, it is part number 2160-21 for the light I just showed. The 800 lumen new light. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Peace!